Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla Stuff and Things. Today I am cooking for at least 60 people that are in need in our community, and I am so excited, but whew, let me show you what I've got going on. Flashback to yesterday. We had to go and grocery shop. We got all of the things that we needed. Cook the turkeys because we have 3 huge turkeys that took a while to cook. And then today we're gonna put all this together because we have people coming over in a little bit to help package each individual container and then drive downtown and hand it all out. So this is the largest undertaking in cooking I've ever done. To be honest, I'm a little anxious to see if I can even get this done, but let's get cooking. Okay, it is now like 3:30. We have everything cooked and we have our crew here who is gonna help assemble all these boxes. Like I said before, we're trying to get 60 meals made and I think we're gonna do pretty good. So I'm so excited that this worked out. And as always, I'm not sharing this to brag or anything like that, but if you guys have the opportunity to do something in your community, it doesn't have to be this grand scale thing, just do something nice for each other. There's so much negative in the world right now, and if you can make someone smile, then I challenge you to do that. So let's get these containers packaged.
I'm so excited.
Aren't you?
Yes.
Me too.
We have extra cookies.
Are you so excited, Ab?
So the boys are in a boys' car and we're in a girl's car. Obviously,
look at all this food.
The better of the two is right here with you guys. You ready, Ab?
She's ready. Oh, you
no?
are.
I think you are.
Hygiene cater blanket.
Blanket?
It was a success. I am so excited and so proud that we were able to do that. So I hope you guys can find something to do in your community, and I hope you have a great holiday season, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.
Oh, right.
Some harmonization going on right now.